Are you a wood furniture trend follower? There are several modern wood furniture and wood decor pieces you can consider using in your upcoming home decoration project. Following modern wood furniture design trends can be an exciting journey that allows both designers and enthusiasts to express creativity while staying relevant in a fast-evolving market. Understanding these trends involves a combination of research, inspiration, and an openness to adapt and innovate. Here are some essential tips for navigating the landscape of modern wood furniture design. To begin with, immersing yourself in the world of design is crucial. This means exploring various sources of inspiration, including design websites, magazines, and social media platforms. Websites like Houzz, Pinterest, and Instagram are treasure troves of ideas, showcasing the latest trends and innovative designs. By following influential designers and brands, you can gain insights into current styles and materials that are gaining popularity. Additionally, subscribing to design publications can keep you updated on emerging trends and new techniques. If you have the skill, you can come up with your own style by collecting unique wood furniture and wood decor pieces. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of modern wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas you can consider using in your home decor venture. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Understanding the fundamental principles of modern design is also essential. Modern wood furniture often emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and clean lines. Familiarizing yourself with these principles can help you create pieces that resonate with contemporary aesthetics. Minimalism, for example, is a key characteristic of modern design, focusing on the essentials and eliminating unnecessary embellishments. Learning how to balance aesthetics with usability can lead to the creation of practical yet visually appealing furniture. As you explore trends, pay attention to the materials being used. Wood remains a classic choice, but modern designs often incorporate a mix of materials. Combining wood with metals, glass, or fabrics can enhance the visual impact of your pieces. For instance, pairing a wooden tabletop with metal legs can create a striking contrast that adds a contemporary edge. Understanding how different materials interact can lead to innovative designs that push the boundaries of traditional woodworking. Sustainability has become a significant consideration in modern furniture design. Many consumers are increasingly concerned about the environmental impact of their purchases. As a woodworker, embracing sustainable practices can not only enhance your designs, but also appeal to eco-conscious customers. Sourcing reclaimed wood, using non-toxic finishes, and employing eco-friendly production methods can set your work apart in a competitive market. Highlighting the sustainability of your products can resonate with customers who prioritize eco-friendly choices. Color trends in modern wood furniture design are also worth noting. While natural wood tones remain popular, there is a growing interest in bold colors and finishes. Experimenting with painted or stained wood can add a unique touch to your designs. Consider the psychology of color when choosing finishes. For instance, earthy tones can evoke warmth and comfort, while vibrant colors can energize a space. Understanding how color influences mood can help you create pieces that enhance the overall ambience of a room. Functionality is paramount in modern design. As lifestyles evolve, consumers are looking for furniture that adapts to their needs. This has led to a rise in multifunctional pieces that serve various purposes. For example, a coffee table that doubles as storage or a desk that can be converted into a dining table can be incredibly appealing. When designing your furniture, consider how it can be versatile and space-saving, especially in urban environments where square footage is often limited. Paying attention to ergonomics is also essential in modern furniture design. Comfort is a critical aspect that cannot be overlooked. As people spend more time at home, they seek furniture that promotes well-being. Incorporating ergonomic principles into your designs can enhance user experience and contribute to the overall appeal of your products. Understanding the dimensions and proportions that work best for different body types can lead to furniture that is not only stylish, but also comfortable. Collaboration with other designers or artisans can bring fresh perspectives to your work. Engaging in collaborative projects allows for the exchange of ideas and techniques, which can be invaluable in keeping your designs innovative. Collaborating with artists, textile designers, or even interior decorators can lead to unique pieces that merge different styles and approaches. This collaborative spirit can also open doors to new markets and audiences. Attending trade shows, exhibitions, and design fairs can provide exposure to the latest trends and innovations in the industry. These events often showcase emerging designers and cutting-edge materials, giving you a glimpse into the future of furniture design. Networking with industry professionals can lead to valuable connections and opportunities, whether for collaboration or mentorship. Engaging with the broader design community can inspire new ideas and help you stay ahead of the curve. Another important aspect of following modern design trends is understanding the role of technology in furniture production. Advances in technology, including CNC machining and 3D printing, are revolutionizing the way furniture is designed and manufactured. Familiarizing yourself with these technologies can enhance your capabilities and allow for more intricate designs. Embracing innovation can also streamline your production process, leading to increased efficiency and reduced waste. Social media plays a significant role in shaping modern design trends. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok have become vital for showcasing work and connecting with potential customers. Engaging with your audience through these channels can provide immediate feedback on your designs. Posting behind-the-scenes content, tutorials, or design processes can help build a community around your brand. Understanding how to leverage social media for marketing can enhance your visibility and establish your reputation in the industry. Craftsmanship remains a cornerstone of modern wood furniture design. While trends may come and go, the appreciation for quality craftsmanship endures. Investing time in mastering your techniques and developing your style can set you apart from mass-produced alternatives. Consumers are increasingly drawn to handmade, artisanal pieces that reflect attention to detail and skill. Highlighting your craftsmanship through storytelling can create a deeper connection with potential buyers. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked modern wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas you can consider using in your home decor venture. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.